Hello guys, I'm back. So, so we're currently making this part of the mines right now. This part. So this is the prison. So basically we're gonna make the prison mines. So this is actually the end part of the quarry. So the quarry will end here, and we enter this area and exit a courtyard. So there's a courtyard here. And this is actually one of the settlements that we can conquer later on. So yeah, so I'm just doing some level design right now. I'm helping out Aya doing some level design. And also pardon my voice, and because I'm having flu right now. I actually had like flu for 1 week. So pardon the coughing. So there's we'll just offset this like this. All right. Maybe this here and that. Okay. So we now have a warehouse. It's gonna be a warehouse. Yeah. We'll hang some things here, put some crates on top. I don't know, maybe put a ladder or something. Okay, so this is the warehouse. Okay, so I'm still deciding though, like, wait, let's just organize this first. This prison garrison is the entire garrison, this entire thing here. I'm thinking of separating this into like a different, entirely different. Hold on, let me check this first. Yeah, it seems to be okay. Just put this inside here. There. The other one, this one. This one. Let's put it here as well. There. So that's the warehouse. Now we're gonna duplicate this. Which we need. Right, what's going on? Need to place it here as well. Okay. Then we're gonna duplicate this thing. This, and this. Oops, wrong. This and this. Okay. We need this and this. Something wrong with the alignment. That should work. That should work. Okay, now let's just copy some of this. Just worry about the interior later. For now, let's focus on making thatch on the leaves. Let's just overlap these things here. There, should work. And put some wood stuff there. This one. Okay. I think that should work. I think we need to offset this outside. Here, just for symmetry. Seems that this one is not centered. So I want this to be the center. Maybe like that. But then again, it's not really centered if you take a look at it. So let's fix that one first. Maybe we need to move this here a bit. Yeah, let's push the wall in. Maybe just a bit. It's really not symmetrical in a way. See that? This the pillar should be placed inside, so it should be like this is the wall. The pillar should be here, like that. And this should be pushed somewhere here. Okay. These three pushed here, like so. And now we can center everything. How shall we do this? Or we can just move the entire thing like that. That's one way to do it. And let's just find the center here, like that. And this, we're gonna put it back. Yeah. That should be center enough. Hello, Thando. Yeah, I'm back. I fetched my kid. She went on vacation on her grandma's house. We just arrived. Time to continue doing this stream. I was trying to delete this. There. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Let's just keep that. I don't mind the detached roof there. It's actually not noticeable. Not noticeable anyway, so right, it's not noticeable, so just leave that. Okay, there, so it's better now. Okay, next, so here we need to put a big rock here. Let's we're gonna leave that for now because we need to reserve this for the mines. So there'll be 3 entrances to the mines, basically. So for now, we're gonna just put some details here. So this one should be open. This is correct. What's this? Support. Okay, I need this one. Can use this. No, not this one. You need something like, let's look for some wood here. Need a thick wood. Like these kind of wood, maybe? It's floor foundation, no, not that one. I need wood from Lord Phil, maybe? Let's use Lord Phil assets for wood. Just to fix this part here. Maybe we'll just put a wall here, maybe. Let's just put a wall. Let's find some walls here. Okay. It's something like this, a floor. Well, we use the floor. Because they have the same stuff. Let's use the floor. Let's try if it works now. You also need to think, it's floors. They have one side only. We need to duplicate this so that we can get the other side as well. So let's think about that as well. Let's test it first. You can just have two copies of this, or we can basically make it also what do you call this? Double-sided. This doesn't work. Need to push this inside a bit. Yeah, I was thinking of like something like this. Just to cover it, essentially. Something like that. Let's push this inside first. That. Like that. This one. And now that we're moving this, let's see if it's okay. Yeah, the center seems to be okay. All right. That's I think it looks good now. But the problem here is this one is actually one-sided. So if you go inside, look, inside it, right? One way is to just duplicate this and then like that. That's the easiest way. Just do that because I don't want to mess with the materials. Then let's just move it a bit here as well. Like so. Or maybe just here. Like that. So that we don't need to make this support beams. let's duplicate this and move it to the other side. There. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Duplicate. Let's copy this to the other root. Here. That's perfect. All right, it's done. I think that's good. I'll just leave the interior for Aya to work on, like add details here, put some barrels and other stuff. Let's just continue with the rest of the stuff here. So let's see. You want this open? It's okay. Is this okay though? The wall. Let's move this wall a bit. Like that. Yeah, like that. Okay. Looks good. Let's check from a distance. It seems to be okay. About this angle here. It's okay. Now we're gonna get some scaffoldings and put some stuff here. But I want this courtyard to be lowered a bit. So let's do some landscaping first. I think this should be fine. Maybe we're gonna increase the height here a bit. Okay, let's do some landscaping. I don't want this to be flat. It's too flat here, right? So let's increase some height here a bit, just slightly higher, like so. Let's check the inside also. Okay, that's good. So we can see here there's a bit of height already. And here as well. Let's add a bit of height here. You want this so that there's a central zone where people move in and out. And also we don't want it flat also. Let's just increase some height here a bit. Alright. So from here, if we enter here, we can see immediately see height differences. Right. We want this part here higher though. So let's do that. Maybe something like that. All right. Let's set height. Okay. I think this will do for now. So if we check it here again, okay, so that's a good height difference. So let's clean this up first. Maybe one way to do this as well is just to create holes, but um, let's just make it simple like this. These holes also take up resources. Okay, and then let's just smoothen this place. Just smoothen things up. That. Okay. Oops. There. So we lost the height again. Let's increase the height. Okay. Now here, this part, we need this lowered. That maybe. Or is it too low? It's too low. But that's the idea. We're gonna make it lower. We're gonna start with this. Let's just find the right height. Maybe this one. Okay, let's see. Is this the correct height? We're from here. I think this is okay. We just need to these things down. Like that. That would do. Here, split cliff here. just for consistency. Like that. Then slowly, gonna slowly converge into something like this. So this should be the upper part, and then there's the lower part that we're gonna put here, something like the scaffolding that uh, the player can overlook and see. This one. Let's sculpt. So essentially, this is the pathway. So there should be a pathway, right? So let's find the right height for this. Yeah. So people will go here, and then some of them will go here and go down there. Some of them will directly go here straight. So if we're gonna let's just put some texture here. Oh no, I can't, because we'll create some errors. Yeah, let's just use this for now. And flatten it to make it natural. Like so. I think this is decent. Maybe we make this better. But this is a good start. Okay. Get like that. Okay. So we can see here an effect. So we just put stairs like that. It's not really centered. Okay, so like that. And let's just polish this a bit. Oops. Yeah, I think this will do. I'm just gonna smoothen this later on. Then, let's copy this again. This here. Uh, that. Let's just make this wider, so that. It's two. That. Right. Should work fine. Okay. You'll have a warehouse, a uh gatekeep, or I don't know what's it called. And then we have a courtyard. Next is we need to put something here first. This part. This is weird looking. Hmm. Can use this, maybe. Or we can just tuck this in. There, inside. Let's see if we really need this. Yeah, we need it. Let's just tuck everything inside. And then just push it down a bit. There's no like Z fighting like that. See, you can just push it down a bit like that, and yeah, that should work fine. There. Right. This bridge is broken, and this is actually this is a pathway to this gate here. Another one is on the other side, but we need to repair this so that we can access this quarry. Let's build scaffoldings first. Let's use. I need to use the smaller scaffolding. Let me just look for it first. Scaffolding 11. Okay, let's look for some scaffoldings. What's this? Yeah, this one. We need this one. Let's look for other stuff. Like this one, the little ones. Scaffolding 5. No, 3. Yeah, we can use 1, 2, and 3 maybe. Yeah, let's just use that. Just something where people can, what do you call this? Let's put this here first. To here. Up there. Here. So this is 3. Let's put 2 and 1. Okay. So I think we'll just use all of them maybe. Just for variations. So we're gonna put it here. Other one here. That. That works. This one is too clean. I don't like this one. Just do these two. Rain. Oh. Okay. Everyone's floating. This is wrong. Okay, let's push this in a bit. Like that. Like that. Spin 2. Okay. Something there earlier. Get back. We have different. Wait, they're wrong. They're wrong angle as well. Okay. This is good already. We just need to put the stairs. Stairs. Okay, let's look for some stairs. This one, we need this beam though. Let's just we need a makeshift stairs. So we just use something like this. Like do it something like this, or a proper stair. A proper stairs is good. Or a ramp. A ramp is also okay. But this is too big though. I want a very small ramp. or a stairs. I think we'll go with stairs. Stairs is okay. Here maybe. Can also double this as one, a stair, two, maybe a storage area, maybe. Yeah, storage area. It's good. Just maybe storage area for iron, maybe. Mm, or some crates, perhaps. The other side as well, like this, like that. And then obviously we need to raise this a bit. We don't want to add another stair just to um put it down. Let's just bring this height up a bit and use that as the baseline for our height. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. That should work. Then we're gonna do some flattening. There. That should do the trick. Okay, so this area, we're gonna use this as a storage. We're gonna put here some boards or something, like this one, the wooden beam. So maybe we can put wooden beams here. Just a storage area or some sort. Just to put things like you call this the planks, not the planks, but the iron ores or something. Oh, that's what I was thinking. So something like this. That. And just need some planks, like this, something like this. Ruined floorboards. Just as something like this. Let's flip this. And that will do, I think. We'll just put here some crates or something. So basically it's a wait, let's fix this. It looks weird. Just push this inside like so. Or rotate it, let's see. Yeah, that should work. that. We don't need this anymore. Now we need it. That. Like that. Here we'll pile here some rocks maybe. Here some iron ores. The rest maybe here, rocks as well. Let's just stockpile. Stockpile after stockpile. And this one the warehouse. We'll store here some goods, important goods. Let's put something here. There. Okay, so let's just put a pier here. Make it look sturdy as well. Like so. Also to cover that annoying thing. Like that, maybe. Let's see. Like that. Okay. That should work. This one we don't need to put. This one only. Okay, next we're gonna transfer this two torches. Transfer them here. Here. Let's just duplicate this. Like so. Should be good. Here, we need to put on the walls. Inside this wall as well. We'll do it later. The interiors we'll just do later. Alright. Let's fix this entrance. Let's just emphasize that there's a stair there. Let's lower this as well, just to create a pathway. Okay. Oh, essentially people will be walking here, right? So let's lower some of these terrain as well. So they will walk back and forth here. Okay. Now let's smooth. Okay, that should work. What's going on here? Is it disappearing? It's disappearing. Hmm. It's weird. Anyway, continue. Okay. So let's just put some temporary rocks here for now, just to uh, just to test how it feels. Basically, this is the corner. We'll be placing 3 entrances, one here, and another one here. They're basically just connected with each other. All these rocks. But that's generally the idea. And then there should be a mountain at the back. Okay, let's make something like that. Maybe like that. I think. Maybe make it bigger. Too big. Just remove that for now. Now it's needed here. Yeah. Okay, let's sit for this one. Let's see. So there's a cave here somewhere. Another one here and another one here. Okay, so that's the start of the mines. So yeah, this is the courtyard essentially. Um, Here there's a bed here maybe, or some, I don't know, maybe uh, this will be prisoner area maybe. Then here maybe supplies. We can put supplies here. Okay, so we also let's just do some pier as well. Yes, there's some issues with the inside. I want to deal with gaps, so let's just put pier there. Looks good anyway, and it also mimics this one. And then let's just transfer these two, since we're already doing the piers. Let's just transfer them here for now. Okay. There. Also need lighting and something here in the walls. Let's do this first. This one. Okay, looks good. Okay. Should be it. Then this is our second settlement, basically, the mine settlement. We put some. I think I'm gonna put here the workshop. Maybe it's a good place to put the stone cutters workshop here, since it's near the stone mines here. So we'll put the stone cutters workshop here technically. And this will be a stockpile or additional rock chunks maybe. Yeah, maybe we'll just use this rock chunks. Barrels here, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I think it's good to test this out first, maybe. Wait, I forgot something. We need to put something here. This is too plain, right? So let's see. So this is called walls. and then this one. This one, this one. Thick ruined. Basically, it's just something that to make it not straight and plain. Just want it to be added here on top like that. Also feels like a ruined bastion or something. I'm just gonna put invisible walls here too, so that we don't need to worry about it. Hello, Safronov. I can't understand uh Russian text. That's Russian. What's that in English? Where's this? I want this arch to be ruined, so let's remove this and find a ruined arch. This one. Like this one, something like this. Like this. It's too small though. It's about this one. Um, this one, this one, this one. This. This one. put something here like, and I don't know, put a pillar or something. Just put pier. Pier is fairly easy and it looks good. You can just stack them up. Like so. It's also a repeating theme in this area as well. So since we're using it anyway, repeatedly, let's just use it. Like so. Like so. And the other one about this. No, not this. I don't know. Maybe this. But it's too obvious, so let's just put this down. Like it's ruined. It's part of the ruins. Like that clearly. Put some rubble here. Let's see, rubble. Rocks. Rubble. This one, this one. It's supposed to be piles, rock piles, debris. I forgot the name. I think this should work like that. Okay. About this one, shall we destroy this tower? Let's just leave that be. Sorry. Flu for me for 1 week now. I'm having cough, fever, etc. Okay, so I think this is good. This is good enough. So let's test this place. I think this is good for a courtyard. Let's see if it is big or small. This there will be raids in settlements. There are times enemies will attack you, so this area should be playable enough for you to run around. And we need to also think about minions, right? So you will have minions also roaming around, so it should be big enough for you and your minions. Plus, in case there are raiders around, and at the same time, not super big that it's empty, right? So we're just gonna teleport to this area. Well, not this area. Maybe the outside where we can test it. We also need the warehouse should house weapons. We're gonna put their weapons, some crates. But the courtyard should house the rock chunks, iron ore, like basically materials from the mines. And maybe inside the mines we'll house the all this. We're gonna house the uh, iron ores. That's what I was thinking. Iron ore should be inside the caves, storages for them. The rock should be from the quarry, so it should be outside, like the courtyard. Yeah, we should do it like that. Best to do it like that. Okay, so we'll be testing um, right now during the night first, just to see the torches and all. And then, here we go to the mines. And then we're gonna test, see what's good. But the problem is we have occlusion culling on, so let's test from this place here. So, about occlusion culling, yeah, so this is a problem because, right now, occlusion culling is not yet, um, it's not yet viable at the moment. There's the prison. It looks okay from here. Maybe we need a very huge campfire in the middle. Like similar with the big campfire that Valheim has. You know what I mean? Let me just get some campfires here. Like this campfire, right? But way bigger than this. Just to light up the entire scene. I have this, right? We need to blow it up like super huge. Bigger than this. Like it's like a huge bonfire. Here. Maybe a fire pillar or something. A huge bonfire. And this is campfire. No, we need bonfire, not campfire. Let's just need to change this. Basically the scale. We're just increasing the scale for everything. 0.8 for everything. Say 3. Okay. The lights. Yeah, I think that should work. See, I can see it now. But there's no light for some reason. Light is too it's too dark. We should let me see. Let's look for the light. This one, point light. The light should be bigger than this. Range should be, I don't know, 20? No, 30. Yeah, that's such a big bonfire. And bright. Super bright. Like that. Right. Right. Need to modify the something wrong with this fog and transparent objects. They don't meld so well. Anyway, we're gonna test that one out. Let's test that bonfire. So here we can't really see it yet because there's occlusion happening. There, so I think this is good enough. Like, yeah, that courtyard seems to be okay. We're just gonna fix the outside the cliffs. A bonfire, maybe not, but I don't know. We're gonna test it first. Okay, so let's enter. Again, there'll be occlusion pulling. Let's just remove occlusion pulling for now, so that we can clearly see what's going on. So, yeah, it's not laggy anyway, so it's the bonfire's too loud. So this is an okay warehouse. The size is okay. We can put things up as well. Like crates there above. I think the bonfire is too much. Just delete this. Keep it cozy like this. This cozy. I like cozy. What's this here? Oh, we removed yeah. The debris here is actually wrong. Okay, I'll fix that later. Okay, so our stairs is gone. So yeah. We'll fix that later. Let's just test this part here first. Yeah, this seems to be an okay scaffolding. Let's fix the issues first and get back here later. Yeah, I think we don't need or want one fire. I'm fine, maybe. Bonfire, no. Maybe campfire here. It's good. Here, maybe. Yeah, let's try putting a campfire there. Campfire. There should be a campfire here. Maybe here. Because they should be cooking, right? Like enemies, enemies should be cooking stuff. Yeah. I think that should be a good place for a campfire. It will also make these rocks shine. It glow orange. Good. Okay. Where's this categorized? Oh, let's see. Let's just let's see. Shall I move the entire mine system here? Okay, let's just try that one. Let's move some stuff around. This is the phone cutter table should be moved here. what I was talking about. Where's the... There. Need to put this. Yeah, we need to put this first. Let's do it like that for now. And then, oops, wrong. Wait, right. This one. Wrong, there we go. Just put this one here, maybe. The funny. Maybe one. This is a good spot. Okay. Maybe put a shack here, maybe. No. I think let's try put a shack. Something like this. What Aya did. Side shed. Let's copy this side shed. And let's try and put it here. If it looks good. Okay. Copy it. Side shed. Copy. too big for a shed. No, it was too big. Need a very small shed. Oh, but this looks good though. Oh, maybe we can utilize this as an entire shed. Maybe. Like so. I don't know. Let's just try and fit it. It fits. We'll just remove the parts that we don't need. Like this, we don't need this. Maybe we need some of it though. I don't wanna make something from scratch, so let's just do what we can. So first we want it so that this can double as a shed at the same time, like an outpost. Hello. Welcome to the stream. So I think this is the other way around. About this other way. No, this is the best part. This one, maybe increase it a bit. The height. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let's just do it this way. But we need to remove stuff first. So first, we don't need this. Okay, basically, we don't need everything. We need the other stuff. Let's get this one first. Hello, AJ. What's the last update you have? I'm curious. Let's remove this shed. This is not needed. We want this. This is a good effect. Or not. I don't know. This is a shed. There should be a table here, but we also don't want a table because we want it to be on the ground. So let's just remove this for now. Okay. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay, we're gonna put this inside here. So this should be it. Okay, let's just align it here. Like so. Okay, and then you're just gonna arrange things like this. This will be the upper part, and this will be the lower part. We just need to put all of these three down, like so. And this wood should be, let's just stretch it. Let's just cheat for now. Stretch it like so. So we don't want to add more game objects. Let's just stretch it. And then this one is no longer viable. So we're gonna delete this. This should be moved here. No, it looks weird. AI and group behavior. Oh, that's a long time ago. Okay, I'll just show you the channel so that you will see the updates. Let's talk some updates. AJ. Right now I've been doing some live stuff, but not I don't do this frequently though. I've been doing some live streaming while working, but I decided not to um just go live if I feel like it. But as for the videos, let's go to the channel. So you were saying that I think so you've talked about AI behaviors. Maybe this one. And then I did level design with this one. Or is it an older one? Maybe this one. Then I did level design. AI group behavior. So AI group behavior is a very old one though. Let's see. AI group behavior. This one. This is the AI group behavior. And improvements to that, I think. Let's see. This one. This is the improvement to that. I think this is the one. Yeah. This is 2 years ago, so a lot has happened already. So just to recap, give you an update, AJ. We have like this one, the broken system. We added skill trees. We added sound and music to the game. We added voice lines. Yeah, it's almost 3 years actually. Like, it will be 3 years next year, January. Yeah, mid next year. Almost 3 years. And then this one, I did a lot of things like spawners, object pooling for optimization. I updated the skill tree, made a lot of changes to the game, like made it dual wielding. The monster or the skeleton can wield 2 weapons now instead of just shield. Release, there's no date yet, but I do plan on having a Steam demo next year. So, but there's no release date yet, honestly. So yeah, we also play tested, by the way, the game with several Discord members. Yeah, and yeah, here the level design we made Ashendale, the Fortress of Ashendale. We made the church ruins. We made mini bosses, by the way, mini boss fights. I made an entire sewers level, an entire cave system. We have a 3D art, what they call this, leveled artist and level designer. She made the graveyard, settlement ruins, and then here are some latest updates. You can check this one, and this one maybe, to get up to speed on what's going on. Yeah, so yeah, that's the update so far. And right now I'm just doing some live stuff while making the new area. This is the new area right now. This is the mines. There's a huge mining operation going on here. And there are villages on the cliffs. That's a theme for this area. And here, there's a prison. The prison is what we're working out. What we are trying to work on right now. Yeah. Let's just remove this, I think. And then, I don't know, maybe remove this as well. I think that should work. This. Yeah, I think this should work. Maybe. Let's push it a bit inside. Yeah, that should work. Push this out here and duplicate. Push this rock. There you go. Yeah, this should be a good shed. Let's see from the outside. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. It's a good shed. This will be the workshop, Stonecutter's workshop. Can stockpile additional rock chunks here, and I don't know, iron ore maybe or something else. How about the workbench? We're just gonna put it inside the mines maybe. Let's just leave this here because this will be generally our rock chunk processing area. Yeah. Okay, so so while you're here, AJ, let's have a tour of this area. Starting from the ruins of Ashindale. Let's just explore. I'll get water first, hold on. Okay, so let's try during the day now. Let's test the game at daytime. Let's say 8. I like 8. It's cozy. Yeah. So okay, let's just go down first and explore Ashendale. So these are a ruined mining village. But this is not the place that I was working on. This is an old level that's already done. There's some parts here that's not yet finished, like some bugs with some grass and all. But so far, everything seems to be working as intended. Yeah. So the mornings in Ashendale is good. Like, look, it's so cozy. This is Ashendale. This one. So before when we play tested the game, they always start at this point here. So there's fire there. That's the fortress of Ashendale. That can be one of our settlements also. And then there's the sewers there below. So we're not actually going here to this place. Let's go back and explore the mines. That's currently what we're working on right now. The mines area. Let's try and move on the bay so that we can check different times as well. Probably another way here. This way. Let's try and pass this way. There's this elevator, which I don't have a model of yet. So there'll be some glitching here because of occlusion tolling. The occlusion data is not yet updated, so yeah. So there's some parts that are disappearing. That's occlusion tolling. Now here, the mines. We need to tone down the fog though. You can see the portraits here. It's too foggy. Now let's change the time of day. Let's change to nighttime. Just to test for the lighting. Okay, there you have it. There's cooking smoke. Let's turn off the pollution first. That it will not flicker. There. It looks good now. Here on the other side, need to put something there, like a big rock, maybe. Tall, big rock. Let's fix this clip today. Also the grounding. We need to ground all of this so that the camera will be pushed. Because right now, see, the camera is outside. It should be pushed inside. We need to ground everything. The lighting is good. Be okay. Also, we have here our workbench. This would be our workbench. Stone cutter. This is where we're gonna work on some slabs and everything. I think this works. I think this works. It's an invisible wall here. So this should be there should be stairs here going down, like a spiral stair going down there. I like the elevation, but this is good already. Like the elevation is okay. No need for stairs. And here we're gonna put here the mines. Gonna put a hole there, put a hole here, 3 holes. Another one here. Let's try daytime. What it looks like during the day. I also, by the way, I also added a feature um, for the torches that if it's daytime, it will not create a shadow to save resources, obviously. Uh, let's see. I think we can add here something like a chamber or something. Like maybe a tower, I don't know. Just for aesthetics. Then just keep the door locked. Let's see. Just that part there is a bit weird. Right? So there should be something big there, like a keep or something. So when we enter this place, enter here, there should be something here, like a door or something, like an access to a keep or something. I don't know. Maybe it's too much. I don't know. That's one missing thing. Imagine if there's something there bigger, like the background, I think it looks better. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What if we're gonna expand this here? Just make it an L house. Or expand the warehouse here. Or make a keep. That's what I was thinking. Let's try that one. So I was thinking of making something like this. And then expanding this here. So and expanding it up like so. And that's where we're gonna put the roof. Something. Just like a duplicate of this roof, technically. It's just something like this. Like that. It's being weird now. Yeah, but this is just for some sample. Just to test if it looks okay or not, or what's missing. Yeah, I think that's that's the thing that's missing. We need to put this one here. Add it there, and then I don't know. Maybe we can make this entire thing, like something like that. Here as well. And just bring this entire roof up, maybe. No, it breaks the symmetry, so let's just do that for now. This will work. This one. One. Let's make some walls first. How about this? How about we rotate this like that? Yeah, that looks better. Looks better. This is what I was talking about. It feels off. So we just need to open up this area. This can be opened up like this. Maybe let's just put their holding cells. Yeah, let's just do that one. This is a prison, right? So there should be holding cells. Okay, so let's revise this. So first, we're gonna move this and this. And what else? Yes, those are the things that we need to move. Move it here, like so. And add walls. Right, yeah, that's correct. Then we're gonna add more up, like so. Should work. And then gonna add like this here. Basically, we're just boxing things like so. That's the first step. Then let's add floor. What's going on here? Okay, let's add some flooring. There. Okay, so they should be the holding cells. Okay. This wall should have pillars too. So this too. Maybe there. This one is offset, so this is wrong. Technically, so it should be here. So yeah, that should work. Wait, it's wrong. Like that. Alright, next, use this roof, duplicate, bring it up, then move it here. And, yeah, that's that for now. That, and then it's gonna take this, move it. Okay. And then okay, this is too long maybe. Nah, it's okay. Let's just get this one here. And yeah, this one. And then this one, duplicate, move, rotate, move inside. So this one delete. Wait, wrong. Nah, it's okay. That one. Maybe we can just. We need to move this inside. It's too. We need to move it inside. This one too. Just like what we did with the other one. Let's remove this, then move the rest. Alright, so okay. I like this. There's no symmetry. Let's just keep that. And then we just need, where's that wall? There should be a wall. This wall. Don't need this. This wall. I need this one. Just need to bring it up like so. Then bring it up more like so. This side as well is just it down like this. This it's fighting Z. Is what I think. What shall we do with this? Just gonna do this correctly. So this one. That or that. And I just need 3. Okay. We can't actually notice this down, even though the alignment is wrong. Still here. So yeah, oh no, we can notice it. Can push this in. Let's see. Let's see if this works. We can push it in. Okay, let's shall we push it in or shall we I think we need to push it in. Let's push it in. Wait. This too. And this. That. There. So it should fit. Put some gaps so that the light will get in, seep in. Should look fine. There you go. Okay. This should look well. About this, let's delete this. Just put it here, like that. That should do, I think. Don't need to be. This doesn't need to be perfect. We want the gaps as well. It will make it more. We call this more interesting in a way. There. Remove this. No, just put it that way. That looks okay. Let's just put some beams though. Beams. Yeah, let's do beams. Prop wooden objects. This one. Wooden beam. This one. I want a wooden beam. Bigger beams. I have a beam outside. Let's just use that one. This one. It's gritty. I like this. It's a bit gritty. Let's use this beam here. Right, there's it. Let's use this as put it here. Make it thicker a bit. Shorter, then thicker. Like that. And mirror it on the other side, but make it weird looking. So then duplicate. Let's slide it down like this. So then we need to put something else here. Let's see. Like a support. We need a support. This seems to be okay now. Okay, so that one is good. Let's get this one as well, and then put some details here. There, just to break wood and stone. I don't want like that. And then here we're gonna make this into a cellar. Not a cellar, but let's fix this one first. Hold on. This specifically this part. Should do. And then bars. We need bars. Okay, let's do some props. Bars. Props. This one, metal door. We need this. We need let's see. This bars doorway. We need where's the bars? Walls. Where's the bars? Should be a metal wall here. Alright. This one. SM bars. There's two. This and this. Small and big. So we need this. We need this. Center. Okay, let's resize these things first. We need to resize these things. Size should be 1.2. That says perfect. Okay. Put something like this to hide that weird thing. That no. Here. Is it not centered? It's wrong. correct, but the door seems to be wrong. What's wrong with this? Okay, let's just delete this. And then let's make the bars longer. So, oh, wait. I want long bars. Like that. Long, thick bars. So, okay, that should be okay. And doorway. This one. I want this one. This is a better doorway. And 1.2 there. And so we don't need to do anything. I think we'll just put this here. Yeah, there. That should work. And this one should be here a bit like that. There. And here we'll be placing here some cages, props that we made. Let's just do wood cage maybe. Wood cages are okay. There's the lock. Hmm. This is so small. But that's a general idea. So we enter, see here, there's pages. Let's mark everything first as ground. Mines. And this should be obstacle. Then yeah, further static pulse, yeah. Okay. Then this down. No, it's just double it. And then like that. Should make it more like sturdier looking, maybe. Yeah, that would do, I think. Cages though, it's I'm not sure yet if we're gonna do a wood cage or um the iron cage. Yeah, the iron cage. I think we'll go with iron because we're here anyway. This one though, this is a bit, it's too white. I don't know, a bit dark. But I'll deal with that later. Okay, for now, let's just put some props. Where's it? Oh no, wrong. Buildings and structures. Is it? Oh no, this one. Iron cage. Okay, so let's just duplicate this. This is too big for a big for this person, maybe. Let's fix the outside first while we're at it. So outside. Just quickly fix this. So should do it. And here there's I plan on putting the big rock here. Like here somewhere here. this, that, two. Then let's put a shadow caster. This one. Extend this. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Let's fix the other side, this part here. Okay, there's some techniques that we can use here. Let's just click this and see that what's underneath. Let's rotate this and use this smooth edge past the face. That. It's okay. They've been mining stuff here anyway, so. Alright. Yeah, that should do it for the entrance. Okay. Let's test it again. Mouse here. Okay. Okay. What if we're just... Let's just run with that for now. Let's move here. Outside. It looks good. Looks good. Okay, let's see from this angle. Nice. Window maybe. I think we need window just to create lighting. Like light is coming out of it. Trees maybe, I don't know. Cages. No colliders yet, but obviously we'll be putting colliders. I think this is the right size for the cages. As for this area though, I'm not sure. It's too big. This place is too big, I think. So maybe we can put another set here of maybe a line. I know, I'm not sure. Or is this just the right size? Or shall we make, or shall we blow this up, the size of this? Six. This is 12 here. 12 cages. Or we could push this forward here and just put the cages here. I don't know. That's another option. Or make this something like an office. I think there's an office here, like a prison office, and then push the another wall here, and just place a straight line here of these cages. I think that will do. So it's like double doors before this one. Then there'll be something here like, I don't know, maybe a repair workbench. Then here like a desk. It's just like a desk, some props or something. This one is okay already as a warehouse, so yeah. I like this effect here with the lighting. We need to fix that part, the edges. Okay, I think this is okay now. Let's go back and then test it daytime. Trading cards. Can just fill this, like maybe put trader here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Okay. So we need to move um the shadow caster. It's too near. Anyway, so trader cart should be placed somewhere here. Maybe here. This will be our main entrance anyway. This one. So trader cart should be placed somewhere here. This will be a busy place. This area. Maybe here. We can place it here. Yeah, let's place the trader cart here. Yeah. Let's check during the day. Yeah, this is awesome already. At night. Let's test daytime. 8. It's 2. How about 7? Let's do 7. Just let's do 7. This is daytime. I need to fix the fog. I mean, the problem with the smoke doesn't blend well with the fog. Rock here. I need to buy a texture. Rock texture. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with this design for now. I'm gonna fix this later. We're gonna make this double, like double this, and put it here maybe. Put a repair workbench here, repair workbench, and here too. Or I think we can make this like Yeah, I think repair workbench, and on the other side is a rack for tools like pickaxes or something, maybe. Crude pickaxes and so on. Just a generic storage room. Yeah, I think that will do. Inside this will be this prison chamber. And here we'll be adding more tools as well. Here too, like basically it's a room full of tools. And here maybe we can put here bunks, like some bunk beds. I don't know, maybe. This is a garrison, essentially. There'll be enemies guarding here. I don't know, let's just grab the bunk. Let's just do the racks. So basically, this is a tool area. This prisoners will be passing through this place anyway. So they'll be grabbing their tools. And it'll go here to work. I think this will be a great place to place tools. And then here is like a plan or something, and there's some manuscript there also, where we can read the plans. Like this, likewise here. Can place here. Yeah, this is a like an office maybe. And then we put the cages on the other side. And what else? So here, warehouse there. Some stuff here. So miners will walk here, and then go there to the village. So the village is the place where they will meet their foremen and enforcers. They will be assigned to their enforcers in that village. And then they will be distributed all around the quarry. And once it's nighttime, they will just go back up and then enter the prison once again. So I'll be putting here guards, like, I don't know, forcers maybe. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this place already. I think that's it for now, maybe. Um, okay, this one we need to update this, I think. Let's make this one better in the future. Maybe push it a bit here outside, or move it here on the other side. Yeah, we can improve this one. Anyway, so I think that's it for now. The mine seems to be working fine now. You can see there far away the village where there's smoke. So it's a good thing that the FPS is not that like worse than before. We already fixed it using the new systems for lighting. So it's a good thing that I figured that one out. So yeah, so I think we're good for now. So I'll be continuing this level design sessions, because I'll be helping Aya with some level designs and just creation of the levels, essentially. But she'll be the one detailing everything though, like putting grass and other stuff. I'll be just doing the basic stuff like this. Then I will be making tunnels as well, like the mines and all. Yeah. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Till next time.